If unrelenting fear is your idea of fun, if you have a need to be terrified, if your favorite dreams are nightmares, if you can handle more than 100 jolts of 100% pure terror, then you might be ready.
It's only a movie.
Maybe you don't get out much.
Walking with the tatted man over my shoulder.
Has found a new home.
Waiting for an invitation to arrive.
Enter at your own risk.
Going to a party with no one still alive. I was struck by lightning. Walking down the street.
Rated R.
I was hit by something last night in my sleep. It's a dead man's party. Who could ask for more? Everybody's coming, leave your body at the door. Don't run away, it's only me.
Don't take your time.
Don't be afraid of what you can't see.
A slash course in absolute terror. It is addictive and destructive. It can overcome your mind and take over your body.
Got my best suit and my tie.
Nothing can stop it.
Shiny silver dollar on either eye.
You have been warned.
Who's there? I hear the chauffeur coming through the door.
A homicidal maniac was never captured.
Since there's room for maybe just one more.
Pray it's not too late.
I was struck by lightning. Walking down the street. I was hit by something last night in my sleep.
The ultimate evil.
It's a dead man's party. Who could ask for more? Everybody's coming, leave your body at the door. Don't run away, it's only me. Don't be afraid of what you can't see.
A totally unique, non-stop roller coaster ride through the most frightening moment of the greatest terror films ever made.
It's only
No dream.
a movie.
This is happening right now.